Hi, I'm Miguel from Delphi. In this video, we are going to show you how to perform real-time data recording in a vehicle. Ready? The first step is to understand the symptoms the vehicle is reporting by checking the fault codes and then selecting the live data. This will help us determine the issue. We connect our BlueTech diagnostic tool and proceed to automatically identify the vehicle by VIN. Once connected, and having checked the error codes, we proceed to the parameter selection screen to monitor in real time what is happening in each of the systems. We can see the live data on screen and can adjust the lines as required. We perform a road test to record the data of the parameters we selected without the need for the tablet. This minimizes the number of technicians required, since it can be done solely by the driver. Use the time tag function at any time by pressing the record button on the VCI briefly. Back in the workshop, we reconnect the VCI to the tablet via Bluetooth or the USB cable and download the session we recorded during the drive. Once the recorded session is downloaded, we can analyze it. This can help us to locate the problem and gives us confidence in the diagnosis. By graphing the data recorded during the session, it can be easier to find the source of the problem and proceed with its repair. We can then repair the vehicle and return it to the customer. Thanks for watching. For more practical videos, why not follow us on social media or visit our Masters of Motion online hub. And if you want to continue learning, then be sure to check out our amazing expert-led courses at the Delphi Academy. See you next time.